Hey riders! Looking for a compact, retro-style bike that packs a serious punch? Meet the Y Mini motorcycle. It may be small, but it's built for off-road thrills and beachside fun. This little beast features a 110cc 4-stroke engine, an electric start system, and hits speeds of up to 80 km per hour. With an 8-liter fuel tank, it's perfect for long, adventurous rides. Whether you're tearing up trails, cruising through sand, or just want a stylish ride for the streets, the Y Mini motorcycle is a lightweight and powerful companion. And weighing just 70 kilograms, it's super easy to handle, ready to ride retro. Grab your Y Mini motorcycle today. Click the link in the description and ride into your next adventure.